The first time I visited Casa Batlló was just mind-blowing. I couldn't stop thinking about it for weeks. I'm synesthetic when I write music, so I see music in shapes. My musical brain goes crazy and I immediately knew what I wanted to write. Well, this was such a unique project. Every room requires a completely different type of music. I created an overall Gaudi theme, uses the notes in the letters, and this represents the moment that Gaudi is speaking throughout the building. I want to transmit the beauty that Gaudi has created in this space. I hope people have this hour-long experience, escapism from their normal life, and that it's something that they'll never forget, and I hope the music contributes to that.